Good morning. Looks like another busy day at the airport. Your job is to make sure that all the planes arrive and leave on time. And you're going to use these to help you. Okay, let's check your schedule to see what you have to do first.
Click on this notepad. At 6:30 this morning, you have to call the pilot of the first plane that will be landing here today.
Well, this clock shows 6 o'clock. So let's move the hands on this clock so that it shows 6:30.
Click on the minute hand to see 6:30. This is 6:30.
At 6:30, the minute hand points to 6, showing that 30 minutes have passed the hour of 6. And the hour hand points halfway between 6 and 7. So this clock shows the time 6:30. Okay, what do you have to do next? You have to make sure that this plane lands at this time. But what time is this?
Click on this time. This time is 6:45.
Right. The number 6 shows the hour, and the number 45 shows the number of minutes past the hour of 6. So this time is 45 minutes past 6 o'clock, or 6:45. Right. Now let's show 6:45 on this clock.
Drag the minute hand until the clock shows 45 minutes past 6 o'clock. Then click OK. That time is before 45 minutes past 6. Try again. That's right. This is 45 minutes past 6 o'clock.
When the hour hand points to 6 and the minute hand points to 12, the time is 6 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes past 6 o'clock. So this shows the time that the plane will land. 6:45. Or close to 7 o'clock. Now, what's next on your list? This plane is taking off from here this morning. But at what time?
Click on the machine.
This clock shows us the time when the plane takes off this morning. We can see that the hour hand is between 8 and 9, but is closer to 8. And the minute hand has moved 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23 minutes past 8 o'clock. So this plane is taking off at 23 minutes past 8. Okay, let's show 23 minutes past 8 below this clock.
Drag numbers here and here to show 23 minutes past 8. Then click OK. That's right. These numbers show 23 minutes past 8.
This number shows the hour, 8, and this number shows the minutes past the hour, 23. So this is how we show the time 23 minutes past 8 o'clock. Phew! You're going to need to rest after all that work. Ah! At 8:55, you'll have your snack. Good idea. Let's use this clock to show 8:55.
Click on this arrow to move the minute hand forwards. Click on this arrow to move the minute hand backwards. When the clock shows 8:55, click OK. That's it. This shows 8:55.
Starting at 8 o'clock, 8:55 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 minutes past 8 o'clock. And look, when it's 8:55, the hour hand is almost pointing to 9.
Click on this clock. 8:56, 8:57, 8:58, 8:59, 9 o'clock.
So, 5 minutes past 8:55 is 60 minutes past 8. And since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 minutes past the hour of 8 o'clock is 9 o'clock. You're having your snack at 8:55, or 55 minutes past the hour of 8. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes before the hour of 9. So we can say that you are having your snack at 55 minutes past 8, or 5 minutes before 9. Huh. 8:55 is 5 minutes before 9. So, how many minutes before 9 are these times?
Can you write these times as minutes before 9? Drag a number to each of these places, then click OK. That's right. These are the correct times.
There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 58 minutes past 8 o'clock is 2 minutes before 9 o'clock. 8:45 is 45 minutes past 8 o'clock, or 5, 10, 15 minutes before 9 o'clock.
Click on these arrows to change the hour, and click on these arrows to change the minutes. Watch how the time changes on the clock.
Sounds like there's a message coming through.
Click on the radio. The flight that is departing at 10 a.m. will arrive here later today at 2 p.m.
So this flight takes off at 10 a.m. and lands here today at 2 p.m.
Click on AM. There are 24 hours in one day. We use AM to show the first 12 hours in a day between midnight and noon. Click on PM. We use PM to show the last 12 hours in a day between noon and midnight.
Right. So this plane takes off at 10 a.m., which is 10 o'clock this morning, and lands here at 2 p.m., which is 2 o'clock this afternoon. I wonder how long this flight will take. Well, this clock shows the time the flight departs today. And we can use this clock to count the number of hours between 10 o'clock this morning and 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Click on the arrows to change the time to 2 o'clock. Then click OK. That's right. This is 2 o'clock.
When the hour hand points to 2 and the minute hand points to 12, the time is 2 o'clock. Now let's count the number of hours between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.
How many hours are between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.? Click on the number, and when you're done, click OK. That's it. There are 4 hours between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 hours between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. So this flight takes 4 hours. And because 12 o'clock is noon, the flight arrives here in the afternoon at 2 p.m. Okay, what about the next flight? This flight takes off at 11:25 a.m. and is 40 minutes long. So I guess it will arrive here 40 minutes after it departs. But what time is 40 minutes after 11:25 a.m.? Let's use this clock to help us. We can start by showing 11:25 on the clock. 11:25. Well, we can show 11 o'clock like this. Now we need to show 25 minutes past 11.
Drag the minute hand until the clock shows 25 minutes past 11. Then click OK. That's it. This is 25 minutes past 11.
11:25 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes past 11 o'clock. Right. This clock now shows the time that the flight departs, 11:25 a.m. And we know that it arrives here 40 minutes after this time. So let's see what time is 40 minutes after 11:25 a.m. on this clock.
Drag the minute hand so the time shows 40 minutes after 11:25. Then click OK. That's right. This is 40 minutes after 11:25.
This clock shows 11:25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes after this time is 5 minutes past 12. So the plane arrives at 5 minutes past 12, or 12:05. We know that this plane leaves at 11:25 in the morning, or 11:25 a.m. But does it arrive at 12:05 a.m. or p.m.?
Is the time of arrival 12:05 a.m. or 12:05 p.m.? Drag your answer here, then click OK. That's right. This time is 12:05 p.m.
This flight departs in the morning at 11:25 a.m. 30 minutes later, the time is 11:55 a.m. 35 minutes later than 11:25 a.m. is 12 noon. And 40 minutes later than 11:25 a.m. is 12:05, or 5 minutes past noon. So because we passed 12 noon, we use p.m. to show that the time is between noon and midnight.
Click on these arrows to change the flight time. Watch how the arrival time changes. Well done! You've completed this lesson. Click here to go to the practice area, or click here to return to the menu. This clock shows 4 o'clock. Drag the minute hand of this clock until the clock shows 12 minutes past 4. When you're done, click OK. That's right. This is 12 minutes past 4.
When the hour hand points to 4, and the minute hand points to 12, the time is 4 o'clock. If we move the minute hand on 5, 10, 11, 12 minutes, the clock shows 12 minutes past 4.
That's right. This is 12 minutes past 4.
When the hour hand points to 4, and the minute hand points to 12, the time is 4 o'clock. If we move the minute hand on 5, 10, 11, 12 minutes. The clock shows 12 minutes past 4.
This clock shows 42 minutes past 3. Drag a number here and here to show 42 minutes past 3. When you're done, click OK. That's right. This is 42 minutes past 3.
This number shows the hour, 3. And this number shows the minutes past the hour, 42. So this is how we show the time, 42 minutes past 3.
A bowling game started at 7 p.m. and ended at 8:47 p.m. How long was the bowling game? Click on your answer, then click OK. That's it. The bowling game was 1 hour and 47 minutes long.
To find how long the bowling game was, you count the number of hours and minutes between the start time and the end time. Between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock, the minute hand has moved 60 minutes, or 1 hour around the clock. From 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock is 1 hour. From 8 o'clock to 8:47 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47 minutes. So the bowling game was 1 hour and 47 minutes long. A concert started at 5:20 p.m. and lasted 45 minutes. So the concert ended 45 minutes after 5:20 p.m.
Drag the minute hand of this clock until the clock shows 45 minutes after 5:20 p.m. When you're done, click OK. That's right. 45 minutes after 5:20 is 6:05.
The concert started at 5:20 p.m. and lasted 45 minutes. Looking at the clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes after 5:20 p.m. is 6:05 p.m. So the concert ended at 6:05 p.m.
Good work! You've completed these practice questions. Click here to go to the workout, or click here to return to the menu.
Keep going. Aw, that's too bad. I wonder how long you spent jumping rope. Well, you started at 3 p.m. and you finished at 4:15 p.m. So to find the time you spent jumping, you can find how many hours and minutes there are between 3 p.m. and 4:15 p.m. Let's use this clock to show the start time.
Click on the minute hand to show the start time. This shows the start time, 3 o'clock.
You can use another clock to show the end time, 4:15. The start time is 3 o'clock, and the end time is 4:15. So, what time was spent jumping?
How long was our friend jumping rope? Drag your answer here, then click OK. That's right. Our friend jumped rope for 1 hour and 15 minutes.
To find the time spent jumping rope, you count the number of hours and minutes between the start time and the end time. Well, you can start by finding the difference in hours between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. You can show the difference on this clock.
Click on the clock.
The minute hand has moved 60 minutes, or 1 hour, around the clock. So, from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock is 1 hour. But the end time is 4:15. So now we need to move the minute hand from 4 o'clock to 4:15.
Drag the minute hand until this clock shows 4:15. Then click OK. That's right. This is 4:15.
From 4 o'clock to 4:15 is 5, 10, 15 minutes. So, our friend spent 1 hour and 15 minutes jumping rope. Okay, now it's your turn.
Good job! You've completed this workout. Click here to go to the next lesson, or click here to return to the menu.